Today's video, going to be replacing this lower control arm on this Nissan Murano. Just so it's easier to work, we're going to go ahead and take off this caliper. We're going to take it off from the mount, 19 millimeter. For this ball joint, it's a 22 millimeter nut and a 17 millimeter bolt. You can get this from Amazon. It's a knuckle spreader. It's not necessary, but it does help. And there you go, ball joints out. 19 millimeter for the front bolt. $19 millimeter for the rear bolts. I'm using the jack to support the subframe. We're going to go ahead and take out this bracket, 19 millimeter. $12 millimeter for these two. Alright, here you go. Here's the old one. And here we got our new one. So we're going to go ahead and install it. Now we'll go ahead and install the rear mount.
Big pharma is a real problem in that.
Torque I found online was 100 foot-pounds.
Moved to the Today Show in 2016 Olympics.
I moved the jack stands to the subframe, put the ball joint inside the knuckle, because we're going to be lifting up on the knuckle so we could torque that inner bushing with the suspension loaded. This one's 110.
Idea that this, you want to talk about
46 foot-pounds.
This is a joke, and all of a sudden, it's like, yeah, give money to both. You're my guy, here's a check. You're my guy, here's a check. We understand. And then they try an AP
120.
all that you know.
And that's how you replace the lower control arm on these Muranos. Hopefully this video helped you. You'll have a good one.